Have you ever stopped to think about how we see color? The world is full of a dazzling array of colors, but what is the science behind how our eyes perceive these hues? In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of color perception and explore how our brains interpret the light that enters our eyes. As we know, color is a part of our daily lives, and we encounter it in everything we see. However, what is color, and how does the human eye perceive it? First, let's talk about what color actually is. Color is a physical property of light, and it is created when light interacts with matter. When light strikes an object, some of the light is absorbed and some is reflected. The reflected light enters the eye and is detected by specialized cells called cones. Humans have three types of cones, which are sensitive to different wavelengths of light. The three types of cones are responsible for our perception of red, green, and blue colors. When all three types of cones are stimulated equally, we perceive white light. When only one type of cone is stimulated, we perceive a monochromatic color. Most objects that we see have a combination of colors. For example, when we look at a red apple, the surface of the apple reflects mostly red light, which stimulates the red cones in our eyes. However, the apple also reflects some green light, which stimulates the green cones in our eye. The brain processes the signals from the red and green cones and creates the perception of a red apple. Subscribe to know more on the physics behind the interaction of light and matter. Color perception is not just about the physical properties of light and the human eye. Our brains play a significant role in how we perceive them. For example, color contrast can influence how we perceive color. If we place a blue object on a red background, the blue object will appear more intense than if it was on a white background. Additionally, color perception can be influenced by cultural and environmental factors. For instance, in some cultures, red is associated with good luck and happiness, while in others, it is associated with danger or warning. In conclusion, the perception of color is a fascinating topic that is deeply rooted in both science and culture. Our brains and our environment play a significant role in how we see and interpret colors. So the next time you see a rainbow, take a moment to appreciate the complex interplay between light, matter, and your brain that allows you to experience the beauty of color.